Hey! It feels like it's been absolutely ages since I've sat in front of a camera. That's probably because it has been. A few things. I'm not feeling too good. I've got a cold coming on. I can feel it. I keep sneezing every 5 seconds, so I might sound a little bit congested. Also, I don't know what's going on with the collar of my jumper. It's meant to be a roll neck, but it doesn't want to ever sit right, so it just looks really weird all the time. So sorry if that's bothering you. It bothers me. Also, say goodbye to my background lights. These are coming down. They're dying a really slow and painful death, as you can see. Just string by string, they're just, you know, dying. So they are probably going to come down soon, and they probably won't be in my next video unless I'm too lazy to take them down, which could easily be the case. And if I am, then they will be in my next video. But yeah. I received a giant package in the post from Social Network Solutions. They are basically kind of like a social marketing company who sometimes send out hampers to bloggers and YouTubers, etc. for them to unbox on camera. I've done similar videos on my channel loads before, and I really enjoy doing them. And I say this in every video that I do with them, but the main reason why I love doing these videos is because they send out products from like lesser known and more independent brands, which I really love to support, and I always love kind of most of the things they send me and carry on using them after that. So this is the parcel that's arrived just before my birthday, so I feel like it's a little birthday treat for me to open. A lot of the time when I open these products, the companies send out discount codes as well, so if there are any discount codes, I'll first of all mention them on camera, but then I'll put all the links and discount codes, etc. in the description box in case you miss it. I'm so all over the place today, I'm definitely getting ill. I just don't even know what I'm saying. So first of all, I've got a few products from PHB, again, a brand I've never heard of before. So these are all vegan, cruelty-free and organic. And also 20% of their profits goes to charity, so just buying this, you're doing a lot for the planet. So this first one is a cleanser, and I have just run out of my favourite cleanser. This is really good quality, it's glass bottle. I've also got a skin tonic, a brightening skin tonic. That one is in the same kind of glass bottle and just looks like that. That looks really cool. This one's got vitamin C and kojic acid, and also age-defying properties, which I need now because I'm 26 on Wednesday and I'm gonna have to start using like anti-aging, anti-wrinkles things quite soon. And then this one, which is the one I'm most excited about, this is a facial oil. I'm absolutely loving facial oils. I've already gone through almost 2 in the last couple of months because my skin gets so dry in winter, specifically on my hands. Does anyone know how to stop dry skin on your hands? Because it's a joke. Like, I'm wearing a plaster because I've just gnawed at my dry skin on my thumb, which I do anyway, but it's so much worse in winter. It's driving me insane. So if you've got any tips, let me know. Ooh, that looks like a good one. Oh, I just love an oil. Again, it's the glass bottle. Those look amazing. Also, you'll be happy to know they've got a discount code on their website. So until the 1st of July, you can get 20% off with the code SNSPHB20. Next, I've got this from Noughty Haircare, and I've actually tried this brand before. I think I've got their conditioner in my bathroom actually. And I like this brand so much because they don't use any sulfates or silicones or any of that bad stuff in their products. It's all really, really good for your hair. So yeah, here it says no parabens, no petrochemicals, no sulfates and no silicones. It's also vegan friendly. This is the First Aid Conditioning and Detangling Spray, and I think this is going to be a new staple in my life because my hair gets so tangled. It's so thick and really long, so detangling is necessary. Next up, I've got 2 boxes from Cohorted. So Cohorted is basically a beauty subscription box that you get every month, and it's really like luxury products. So this is what I've got in the first box. The first thing I have is this hand cream, which is in the most amazing packaging. I don't know if you can see, it might be a bit bright, but it's like white packaging with little black polka dots. It's so cute. And this is by the brand Jogobi. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But hand cream, like I just said, my hands get so dry, so I always welcome any kind of hand cream, and this one says it protects your hands up to 72 hours. I've got this as well, which is in a little glass bottle too. This is Blue Plasma Cleansing Treatment, so a little cleanser by the brand Perricone MD. I've got this, which is a hydrating day and night cream. Oh, that smells amazing. Love that. 100% going to be using that every day. I've got this by Avant. This is Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. I have been looking for a really good eye cream and I haven't found one that I love yet, so I'll definitely be giving that a go now that I'm getting really old. Great. I've got a little Too Faced Primed and Poreless. This is a face primer. Oh my god, is this chocolate? Or is it soap? Oh, it's a facial cleansing bar. Of course I thought it was chocolate. That's how my mind works. And then I've got this. This is a Seas of Illumination Highlighting Liquid. Ooh, look at this little guy. I've got another Cohorted box here, so this must be like a different option. So the first one I did was the January one, and this one it says Ducci. Oh, okay, so this is obviously just kind of like a collaboration with the brand. I want to say Ducci or Douch. Could be anything, to be honest. D-O-U-C-C-E. So I've got a brow filler pencil, amazing. So it's got a little spoolie brush on one side and then a nice brown filler on the other side. Lip definer pencil, so lip liner. That's a really nice colour. Love that. And then I've got a Fizz and Fine graphic pen. If this isn't a liquid liner pen, then I'm going to be really happy because I don't have a good one at the moment. It is. Oh, it looks really good. Yes. A MAC / Volumizer mascara. Oh, that looks good. So excited to give these a try. I've got a lipstick in the shade First Date. This packaging looks so cool and it's magnetic. My favourite kind of lipstick. Wow, oh my god. It's like matte, can you see that? Like it's not shiny at all. Oh my god, I never want to use that. That looks too nice. Oh, I can't believe I just put my friggin' nail in it. Now it's got a big dent in the top. And then I've got a palette here, which is Freematic Pro palette. This feels really heavy. You know it's a good palette when it's heavy. What? Okay, so those are the colours, but each section has a little... Wait, how do I get in? Oh, okay. So each section comes out. Oh, you slide off the cover. Do this with me. Wow. Now that was satisfying, wasn't it? And you can use the code COHORTEDGIFTME to get a free gift when you sign up. So that's amazing, go and check that out. Next I've got a few products from the brand Jersey Honey. I've first got this hand cream and luxury hand wash, which look really, really cool. And I've also got a shampoo and conditioner. But my favourite thing about this brand is kind of the story behind it. So it says, it all started about 6 years ago in 2012 when there was a lot of publicity about the decline of Jersey bees and I wanted to help. My first thought was to talk to the experts, namely the Jersey Beekeepers Association. Today we present nature's golden gift bottled for you. Each bottle has been infused with 100% natural Jersey honey. If bees are a good indicator of the quality of our environment, when they start dying, something is wrong and we need to listen. By purchasing this product, you are helping to support Jersey bees and our environment. So these products aren't just, you know, products with a little bit of honey in them. They have a really great story behind them and they support the Jersey bees, and bees are so important to the environment, obviously. We all know that. We ain't stupid, so I love that. I love it. There's like a nice story behind it. So this one's the hand cream. Oh, okay. Oh, it smells so... Oh, it really smells of honey. Like you couldn't really smell the honey on that. Oh, okay, right. And it feels so nice too. I have got this from Snow, which comes in an amazing blue little velvet bag. So Snow is a teeth whitening system and it's FDA approved, which is obviously really important. This is a little maximum strength serum pen, which I'm guessing you need. So it says here that Snow does not cause sensitivity, it's fast with professional results and it takes just 7 minutes. No dentist required, no prescription required. Award-winning technology. There's a 5-year warranty on this as well. Most people see noticeable results within the first few uses. So this sounds really, really cool. I whitened my teeth once before and they've stayed, I like to think, kind of white since then. That was like 3 or 4 years ago now. But they're probably due another little top up soon. So I'm glad I have this. It looks really, really cool. Next I've got this, which is called Skinny Sprinkles. If healthier habits and weight loss are among your New Year's resolutions, always, then we've got a simple and effective solution that can help you reach your goals. Skinny Sprinkles is the weight loss drink loved by the celebs and has been called a gastric band in a glass by the press. Okay. The active ingredient, glucomannan, expands safely and gently in your stomach, leaving less room for food, and it's the only ingredient that has been scientifically proven to help you lose weight. No way! Just add a sachet to water and drink half an hour before your meals to keep you feeling fuller for longer and to stop you snacking in between meals. I've also been given a discount code for this for you guys, so you can get 20% off with the code Rosie20 for the Skinny Sprinkles. I've got 2 little things from W7 quickly. This one is the I Heart Candy lip gloss, and then I've got the Princess Potion primer. It's Bit of a mouthful. Oh, it's pink. So yeah, that's the primer and the lip gloss from W7. This next thing is from Blendz. This is their 3-piece shimmer kit. So it comes with a face and body coffee shimmer scrub, a shimmer oil and an illuminating balm. So you can literally look like a shining little star. I like the packaging on this, it's really cosmic. So this is the coffee scrub. I think the illuminating balm spilt a little bit, but that's okay. So let's try this. Oh, it feels very moussey. Interesting. Let's try it. I'm running out of space on my hand. Here. Oh yeah. That smells so nice too. And a shimmer oil. Oh, that's nice. I love an oil. That will look amazing in the summer. So that is everything from my little hamper haul. I hope you enjoyed all of that, and I hope it's got you interested in some of the brands that I talked about. If you haven't already and you would like to, please make sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Leave me any comments you want down below if you've ever tried anything that I showed or if you want to try anything. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.